Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your resume with LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Review the current information on your resume. Identify key sections that are relevant to your target job. Ensure your headline reflects your professional identity. Add a summary that highlights your core skills and experiences. In the Experience section, list your most recent positions. Use quantifiable achievements to showcase your contributions. Incorporate relevant keywords from the job description. Adjust your skills section to align with the roles you're interested in. Request endorsements for your top skills from connections. Include a professional profile photo that conveys your personality. Make sure your education section is complete with your most recent degree. Add any certifications or courses that are relevant to your field. Review and update your contact information to ensure it's accurate. Consider adding a custom URL for your LinkedIn profile. After making these updates, save your changes. Download your LinkedIn profile as a PDF to use as a resume. Format the document for clarity and professionalism. Finally, compare your LinkedIn profile with your current resume for consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.